Friends of 38th Senior Management Course officers from the National Institute of Public Administration, Islamabad. At the outset, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the National Institute of Public Administration for its dedication to enhancing the skills and capabilities of our government officials through these individual management courses. And governance are crucial for driving our nation towards growth and development. I'm confident that the distinguished officers here today possess the intellect, vision, and forces. Therefore, it is imperative to promote their importance in policy making. For businesses to thrive, it is imperative for the government to take steps to improve the sector and attracting higher levels of foreign direct investment. Measures such as the establishment of business facilitation centers in Punjab's main industrial, supporting Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and other trade bodies in Pakistan for domestic investments planning and execution. So we are grateful for that as well. Ministries and departments. We see ourselves as partners with the government. The Sialkot Chamber is committed to the betterment of trade and industry, and we seek your cooperation in advancing our collective interests in promoting exports. I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the remarkable city of Sialkot, a hub of skills and entrepreneurs. Sialkot's journey from craftsman to successful, elevating it to the status of Pakistan's premier export-oriented city. I hope you already know Sialkot is almost 100% in exports throughout the world. Our small and medium enterprises earn foreign exchange of US dollar 2.63 billion annually, percent overall growth in exports from Sialkot. Labor intensive and enjoying one of the highest per capita incomes in the country. Our footballs, field hockey sticks, cricket gear, and boxing gloves are used in international games, including the Olympics and the World Cups. The city has gained global recognition for producing official match ball for FIFA World Cups. The company you have visited already, you may have heard that the last World Cup football and even before that and the current one is being produced over there for Adidas. Guests will be pleased to know that Al Rehla, the official match ball of the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar, was proudly manufactured here in Sialkot, continuing our tradition of excellence. Few years back, Pakistan lost the football manufacturing contracts with FIFA. Reason being, the technology was totally changed. The ball before was manufactured by hand and was shifted to transformed to the machine-made ball, and we lost the World Cup production opportunity for Adidas and other brands. But the company Forward Sports and the dynamic businessman Khwaja Masood Akhtar, our former president and current Sports Goods chairman, took this initiative and started R&D at his own in his company, and finally developed those machines in Gujranwala. I hope he may have told you about it. He developed all those machines with his acumen and IQ and gave designs to the machine manufacturers. Finally, the Gujranwala engineering industry supported and manufactured those machines on which we are claiming that football for FIFA World Cup is being produced in Sialkot now. And we achieved this goal in 2010, 2012, when Brazuca ball for Brazil was being produced. Sialkot has a century long. Sialkot also holds a top position globally in leather products and textile sportswear. In addition to our business achievements, we have made remarkable strides in social sector developments and welfare of our people through projects such as the Sialkot International Airport, Sialkot Dryport Trust, Sialkot City Development Program, Child Social Development Organization, Sialkot Export Processing Zone, Sialkot Business and Commerce Center, Sialkot Tannery Zone, Air Sial, SCCI Med Pharmacy, and Sialkot Medical City Limited. To visually showcase the achievements of Sialkot's proactive business community in both enterprise and social welfare, we have prepared a documentary which will be presented shortly to you. I may sum up by thanking you all for visiting the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce. I'd like to wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.